Good morning, everybody. We have officially crossed the Antarctic Circle. Good morning, everybody. We have officially crossed the Antarctic Circle. We are at 66 degrees south, and this video starts right now.
Let's go.
And good morning once again from the deck of the Seaventure here with Polar Latitudes. This is the beginning of the third video as part of this series, and we have officially made it across the Antarctic Circle. We're more than 66 degrees south, and that was the whole idea behind this trip to begin with Nick Page. I wanted to do something a little bit different and sort of pitched it to him saying, hey man, if you want to come down with a group of photographers, let's turn it up a notch and go across the Antarctic Circle, extending the journey here to Antarctica by a few days so that we can make it to this beautiful part of the continent of ice and snow. So here we are. This video is going to be all about exploring the area around Adelaide Island, Leopard Island, and the mainland of the Antarctic Peninsula. So we've got a lot to look forward to. The captain was saying that he's going to try and get us actually out onto the ice shelf. This sea ice that you can see here in the background is currently blocking a very small channel called the Gullet. And the Gullet is often blocked by ice, and the chances of parking the ship up real close and going out on that ice are quite high. So that's what we're hoping to do in this video, but you've got a lot to look forward to. It's a beautiful morning here, 66 degrees south, and we have done it across the Antarctic Circle. Awesome. Welcome to the outside of deck 7. We are almost on the very top of the boat. We got a beautiful view of the bow here, heading straight towards the sea ice. And we've been sort of cutting through this sea ice for most of the morning. And as we're going, we can see seals out on the ice, and there's snow petrels, beautiful bird life. And you saw from that drone footage, just absolutely stunning location here. And this is beautiful. I mean, this is the furthest south I've ever been in my entire life. A number of the crew haven't been to this part of Antarctica for many seasons. Just a beautiful place to explore, and we're gonna keep pushing. So this is it. We're south of the Antarctic Circle, and just beautiful. What an incredible part of the planet. We have just been greeted by 2 emperor penguins. Absolute surprise for everybody in the ship, including the crew. There are 2 small little penguins you can see on the sea ice shelf. So this is actually not the first time we've seen an emperor penguin.
No.
Do you remember the first trip 2 years ago?
You actually swam with it. Yeah.
I still think I might be the only person to have swam with an emperor penguin without a dry suit on or a wetsuit. So during the Polar Plunge 2 years ago, I was in for 3 minutes doing a bit of an ice bath in Antarctica. If you haven't seen that video, I will tag it in the corner here. And I got a pleasant surprise from an emperor penguin while I was in the water, which was a very unique experience. And I was unfortunately way too cold to appreciate it at the time, but we got the pictures to prove it. It's amazing to see these guys again. Beautiful penguin. Was not expecting to see them, and we are south of the circle. So the further you get south in Antarctica, the more remote you are in Antarctica, the better chances you have of seeing emperors. And here too, right here, ship's pretty happy about it. Everybody's out on deck. Pretty cool. And welcome to a place that I guess officially does not exist. We are now walking on sea ice on the top of it. Very slushy. This is definitely chowder, as we would say back in Canada, West Coast chowder. And we're gonna get a group photo here because what better place to do it than on sea ice south of the Antarctic Circle. Okay? 3, 2, 1, throw it. Perfect. Thank you guys. And good morning from the next day. I am wearing a bathrobe, and for those of you who know about the polar plunge, I think you know what's coming up next. So very excited to be jumping into the Antarctic Ocean once again. This will be the second time, and I think it's gonna be fun. Time to go for a swim. Let's see if they let me. Last time I did 3 minutes, but they weren't too happy about it, so hopefully I'll be able to do 3 minutes this time.
I did it.
How do you feel?
It's like half as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I would go again.
Arturo!
Hey!
Yeah, good job, guys. High five. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good job, man. Wow. Swimming in the Antarctic Ocean, these two. Let's go. Can you keep time for me?
I can hold that.
Yeah, and keep time.
Yeah.
I want to go 3 minutes, so. We're gonna get you in Greenland. That's my goal.
I'm not afraid of the polar plunge. I'm just afraid of people witnessing the polar plunge.
Hey, come on, yeah. We'll see if we can get Nick in Greenland from the Arctic Ocean to the Antarctic Ocean. That was amazing. I was told the water temperature was less than 0, right? It was just less than 0. Because I guess the salt water doesn't freeze until it's like a certain temperature, which is below 0. So that was very cool. But now we're all getting geared up. We're going to see Adelie penguins south of the Antarctic Circle. That's what this trip is all about. We have crossed the circle, going to see some penguins. There he is. Marquito. You're natural. Keep going. Yeah, the camera, that's all. Good job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Amazing. We have made it to Red Rock Ridge, and this is continental Antarctica. Booyah! Continent number 7 for a number of people. I was lucky enough to cross this continent 2 years ago during the first trip, but Doug there, who you just saw, it was his 7th continent. So really happy to be able to shake his hand and congratulate him on that. A lot of travelers, dream to come down here to Antarctica, a lot of photographers as well. So it's really nice to see that dream become a reality, especially in a place like this. Red Rock Ridge, absolutely beautiful Adelie penguin colony. They were estimating the penguins here at around 7,000 to 8,000, including chicks, which are molting their feathers right now, catastrophic molting, so that they'll be able to swim during the winter. And Adelie penguins are true Antarctic penguins, so they don't migrate up to some of the southern ocean islands or to Patagonia. They stay here all year round, and this place is just incredible. So let's explore a little bit of Red Rock Ridge and see if we can get some beautiful photos of penguins and possibly even a leopard seal. We are back on the boat, and it is time to see if we can find this leopard seal. There's been a very playful seal who's been right on the edge of the shoreline, looking at the kayaks and the boats and waiting for baby penguins to go for a little swim, because it is that catastrophic molting is almost over. So the baby Adelie penguins are going to go into the water and sort of learn how to swim, and these leopard seals are just waiting to pick them up. An easy lunch. And this guy is very, very playful and curious. So let's see if we can get a bit closer. 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. There are currently 2 leopard seals around the boat, and they are right around the boat. And when I say right around the boat, you might just see them in the back of this piece of camera. Let's see. Scotty wants to get going, but my man's got a GoPro.
Really gotta go. Really gotta go.
I cannot wait to see that footage, Scotty. That was absolutely phenomenal. Oh, it's still there? Still there. Oh, he's fighting it. He's fighting it. Don't fight the GoPro! Don't fight the GoPro! Oh man, look at that. Oh my goodness. There he comes this side right here underwater. Oh, wow, 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 right there. Yeah, Mikey, there we go, there we go. He loves the GoPro. What do you think, Mike? Have you ever seen a leopard seal?
That was amazing.
Yeah. Right in, bro. Good evening. We are back on the ship, and what a cool experience that was with the leopard seals. We still think there were 2. Kind of hard to tell because they were swimming all around the ship at what felt like all the same time. But really amazing immersive wildlife experience there at Red Rock Ridge, and just beautiful scenery as you've seen. This part of Antarctica is not so commonly visited. We are very far south, 66 degrees and 17 minutes south in latitude, and a lot of the ship's crew and even the captain and our expedition leader, this is one of the furthest places south that they have ever been. So we're all feeling pretty lucky about that. You know, there's like 20 expedition staff on this cruise, and almost all of them had not been to that landing at Red Rock Ridge. So pretty incredible thing to see and to capture for you guys here on YouTube. I hope you've enjoyed that. And now we are cruising back towards Adelaide Island, out of Marguerite Bay, and back north across the circle, eventually going the other way. And we got a few more days in Antarctica. So I want to make a couple more videos. I wasn't originally planning on it, but we've had such a good trip so far, and most likely going to get more good content going north. So you've got more to look forward to here on the channel as we continue our explorations of Antarctica with Nick Page and a group of amazing photographers. So I will see you in that video as we continue to explore Antarctica.